there, I wanted to show you these paintings from the last video. The string painting went really well. I really like it. And the opposite painting is pretty cool as well. But the most exciting thing about this one is that I didn't torch. I could tell, you can kind of tell it's hard to tell in here. There's layers of color. And had I torched, I would have had a bazillion cells muddying it up. And I didn't torch. And it is smooth as could be, no air bubbles, no nothing. So I'm going to go back to a twist and swirl technique today, and which I've always had some issues with when torching. I've had to get rid of some good parts because they turn all icky. So I'm going to try it without torching. And then I want to show you, this was something I was working on. I super love it. You know how I like lines and I like circles. So we've got both going on here. And I love the colors. That's just so cool. And there's lots of texture in it. So I really like that. It's got gloss medium was in some of the paints. So it's really shiny. Alrighty. So for colors, I've got Indian yellow, red, rose, Van Dyke brown plus gold, and then a blue and a turquoise. These four are ARTEZA, and the others probably have ARTEZA in them, amongst some other brands. Let's give them a quick shake. There's like nothing left basically in that Van Dyke brown and gold, but all right, this is my house paint, been down with Floetrol and water. And I believe this is an 11 by 14 canvas. Goober, paint goober. Make sure the edges are covered. This I am going to torch because I shook that white. Plus that helps me distinguish if there are, well, there's a big ol' hair. My hair is apparently falling out. There's enough in here to even, there's like not even enough in here to make a difference. So I'm tossing that. I thought there was something in there, but See all these cells? That's because it's ARTEZA. ARTEZA paint does crazy stuff. That didn't come out right. But it does. Yeah, that's because of the ARTEZA. And I do have a new code for 10% off, which will be in the video description. But I'll probably be getting rid of those cells because I don't want them there, even though they are cool. It's not the look I want. The swirled look. Bye-bye. You can tell it wants to make cells everywhere. So normally, here is where I would torch, and all the white that's underneath would come up and make ugliness. But I am going, because I really need to, there's too much paint, and I don't want it all moving together. So I've got to break it up. Which is what I'm doing here. You know what? Maybe I'll just try swirling it quite a bit. I see so many air bubbles though. Kind of makes me nervous. There's a lot of paint on here. I'm really worried about all these air bubbles I'm seeing now. What if I do it from really far away? There, that wasn't too bad. Touch up this area. So I like doing the open cut. You have more control than if you were to do a flip cut, because you control what's going in and when. This is a very cool piece. Very different from my usual. But all these cells and lacing, I'm telling you, this ARTEZA paint's crazy. I like it. Colors are just great. And a lot of different points of interest to keep the eye wandering. I'm seeing lots of things in this as I scroll through. That's kind of cool. Oh, focus. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.